Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I focus on faith, fitness, and fashion. It's been a minute, but I'm back with a quick unboxing slash mini review of my Louis Vuitton mini bum bag in Empreinte leather. Let's get into it. So this is the box that the bag came in. So it has your typical Louis Vuitton boxing packaging, receipt card information, and ribbon, and the actual box for the bag. Y'all see that light blew out? It's okay. All right, so dun da da, ta-da! Y'all, I did all that, and it's not half as impressive as I would like it to be. So this is it. Louis Vuitton mini bum bag, black and empreinte leather. So it comes with this adorable little chain. But do you see how the empreinte, which literally means in print, do you see how the empreinte embossing, like it's just not giving what it needs to give for me. It is rather underwhelming. Sorry. So it comes with a secondary strap that you can use as the crossbody strap. I'm just not impressed. Like, normally I was so excited about this bag. I ordered it on the 21st of February, like as soon as I saw it come online for early access. I ordered it. It didn't get here until March the 6th or March the 7th. It took a total of 15 days to arrive to me. And I get that it's early access, but I don't think it should have taken that long. So this is what the bag looks like on. And it's just kind of there. Like, just as on camera, it's not really reading as the empreinte being like super duper embossed. It's not reading that way in real life either. So for me, I think this adorable little bag is going back. Let's talk about what actually fits in the bag. So, in order to ascertain what fits into the mini bum bag, we're just going to transfer stuff from my big bum bag. The first thing we'll start with will be my phone, because that's pretty essential for most people. Phone fits, yay. Now, when I buy. And there are times where I buy absolutely nothing. Within the past 2 weeks, I've purchased two bum bags. I purchased this one, and I purchased a Gucci bum bag that is a glorified belt. It fits absolutely nothing but delightfulness. My phone doesn't fit. My keys barely fit, but I can fit a lip gloss inside, and sometimes that's all that matters. But let's get back to this one, the Louis Vuitton mini bum bag in empreinte leather. Mint, a lippy, my keys, child, a bliss sticks, and y'all, I think that's it. That's it. Like, it's not going to hold much more. You have a little front pocket where, y'all, I don't even have money in here yet. So it's a no. Yes, I could take my cards out of this mini pochette accessoire. Yes, I could do that. But do I really want to? Now for that Gucci belt, I ordered that Gucci belt bag. I'm most definitely going to do it. But I don't want to do it with this one. So I can fit my mini pochette accessoire in there. It doesn't fit well. But if I do that, we lose mints, and we definitely lose keys. And nobody wants to walk around with keys in their hand all night. So let's talk about other expectations with this adorable bag, albeit going back to the Louis Vuitton store bag. let's talk about the smell. So, it smells like leather, but it smells like very heavily processed, overly dyed leather, which is a turnoff for me. Also, let's talk about feel and texture. So I do not own any Empreinte bags, and I ordered this bag because I thought it was like a holy grail bag, and I was excited because I don't have any Empreinte leather. Empreinte looks soft to me. So I was expecting it to be almost like pillowy leather, think vintage Chanel lambskin leather. That's what I was expecting. That's not what it is. It's more of a like calf skin, goat skin maybe type of leather. It's a coarse leather. And again, I am unimpressed. And while we're talking, let's quickly talk about price. So this tiny bag might be overpriced. It is priced on the website at $21.60, so $2,160. And by the time taxes had been added, I brought it home for $2,246.40. Y'all, that is too much for this tiny bag that doesn't hold my mini pochette and my phone and my keys at the same time. It's a little bit much. So, the moral of this story is this cutie patootie is going back to the UPS store. Well, really, it's going back to the Louis Vuitton store by way of the UPS store because she's going back. She's just not doing it for me, y'all. So, we're going to say goodbye. Like today, as I leave my house to go to brunch, we're going to take her back. So, y'all say goodbye to the boo. She's out of here, and I'm out of here too. I love you unconditionally. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye.